We are from National College of Technology. This is Parents. In India, we have choose first time in India we have choose the design thinking concept for education. In design thinking concept, it is used for to solve the problems. So we have framed the team Alpha. It's of about 8 members. It is also about drone assistance for workers to paint the ceiling. This concept is based upon the painters facing a lot of problems in while painting the ceiling. So it can be solved only by design thinking concept. Design thinking concept it can be followed by 5 steps.
Hi guys, we are going to talk about drone assistance for workers to paint the ceiling. Nowadays the painters facing the problems at painting the ceiling. We are modeling the prototype for painting the ceiling with drone. We followed the design thinking. The design thinking contains 5 steps: empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. The empathize part and the ideate part is divergent and the define part is convergent. Empathize is
major components that we have used in this prototype model is chases, frames, brushless motor that have 1400 kV and propeller blades. We have fuel, paint tanks and injectors, a pump, and we have a gyro sensing board on it, and then we have a pump to pressure and inject the paint.